Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sporty Bongs. Igama ubonga inkosi. Yeah, hayi ngeke ngibe mude kakhulu ethi ngihlala udaweni. Hey, what a first half. What a first half. A roller coaster of emotions. Yeah. Created a lot of opportunities, but efficiency is always something that you must question, especially as a team. We create 5 chances but we scored 1. Ngaphezu kwalokho we could have scored 2. Umayo angazi mina ukuthi lama striker instincts la ukuthi we must pounce on every ball ukuthi ebuyapi, cause aliya into yamaboma. Sorry to say it, into yamaboma. Number 1, there's no player from AmaZulu ofake pressure ukuthi anga defend la ball. Number 2, uModu yamrasile yamtshela eyekela ibhola. Hayi indoda yingini because ufuna ukukhuphula ama goals wakho as a player. That's why I've always said ukuthi Chiefs ama players wakhona awadlali ibhola lokuthi bafuna ukuwina as a team. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuzidlalela yena ukuthi azoba kuma headlines. Yes, you scored the last game, but manje mawumoshela umunye umntwana usi ukuthi uModi is low on confidence. His first chance ukuthi athole his first league goal, we are moshel unnecessary. So but all I can say ukuthi it was a good first half. Everyone played from the movement. We could say with how we could find each other, especially in crucial areas of the field, whereby we play on the half spaces, we play behind the between the lines, and also we are able to play most of the time on the half of the opponents. That alone shows how a high press does help us, because most of the games that we've played good, that we've won and drew, it is because of a high press. That's why we could say even if it happens that we lose the ball, we can easily retain it because of what we are closer to each other, so that it can be easy for us with this and then start a ball and start a quick transition. That's how we scored that goal, because we just Ox intercepted that ball and didn't delay it. Because if he did delay that ball with a fraction of a second, ngaba silithongolanga lela goal. But he made sure to release fast, and we made sure we go forward the more with the perfect weight of the pass. Because if now you delay some more, Umdota could have been offside. One thing I loved about that goal, it was a team goal, and also composure in everyone who was involved, from Ox to Modi, from Modi to Mdota. Mdota was composed in that way how we got that goal. The penalty that we missed, it's unfortunately simply means good to all the penalties that Kaizer Chiefs lawa aswatholayo lawa that are controversial. Simply means good akumelanga siwashaye because siyawa mixed. Kusho ukuthi bathini ngesizulu bathi umanyoro osivezile, because bengasiyilo nalela liqale emzimbeni la esandleni, but ulile bambamba. To be honest, I would say we were playing against the goalkeeper compared to the 10 players that are infield players, but we were playing with the goalkeeper because he made crucial save from the first 5 minutes. We could have scored. Ulilepo was uniku goalkeeper 1-on-1. We got another chance futhi nalo say mixed machine Ngcobo. That's why I say within that middle of the park magno machine siyakwazi ukudlala, because going forward siyakwazi ukuya. Solomon's adds value, especially in that right hand flank, but I think there was a miscommunication between yena no Lilipo, because they will try to play ama reverse balls, but abatholani fandiwan because boy two bajahile kuyagijinywa lapana. So akuna that understanding. We are trying to play using both flanks, of which it was working, because there's pressure on the right, there's pressure on the left. So logo nje kukodwa, it shows that it is something that is being trained, because we would see a repetition of those things. That's what we want. So the first half, it was a good first half. There's something I've also managed to pick up. Yabona, when they try to get inside the half of the opponent, you will see Ugunika pushing high up, and then Ox will drop asaliba no cross, so that they can be able to be in a rest defense. So that was how I viewed the first half. Umayo avele was keep your for me ngale ndlela enze ngayo bafita ngalo ukuba istriker kubalekile ukukora ama goals, but that was selfish from him. It was selfish. I'm sorry to say that, but it was a good half. It was a good half. Take nothing away from Abachita. Just we have to fix the efficiency, because AmaZulu just had one job. One shot on target, one goal. And then it is something that could have been dealt with if Umekwel was in ball watching. You can't allow the opponent to be ahead of you, Magzo I cross Pambile, because it's easy to totally goal. So I hope Ukuti is Olunga Mokamba with cut, but it was a good first half. Then let's talk about second half. Second half also started on the front foot, but due to the fact that we are always wasteful in front of the goal. We came short again. You see the way how we play, it is difficult even for us ukuthi sibone ukuthi kahle kahle ngabe bayenza ngamasibomu laba or kwenzakalani, because this performance didn't deserve ukuthi sithole draw. We are practically playing against the goalkeeper, not the players of Amazulu. But what can we say? It's another day, another disappointment. Because when we talk about Kaizer Chiefs as a team that is consistent, this is what we are saying. Which good thina this season, we're gonna score only one goal. Then that's the end. Kuyaphela nje kanjalo. One goal, then kuyavalwa ngathi. Kusese players are selfish, kusese players that are playing for themselves. It will be difficult for us to stretch our target. We'll keep on blaming the coaches. It was unnecessary lento yenzo my. Okay, saphuma kumai. How many opportunities did we create? Especially second half. Da Silva ungenile, could have scored. Uduba, he was nowhere to be found because of already we were playing under pressure to find that goal, but it couldn't happen. Ox in that middle of the park, always being the Ox that we know, winning balls, trying by all means to just assist going forward, keep them a forward pass, but we get disappointed again. It's another day. Because second half I would say it wasn't as first half. First half we created many opportunities, but second half we didn't, because already we are playing against a team that knows okay, now they'll want to score a goal, especially after what happened first half. Let us try to park the pass and allow them to come at us, because they know we are a team that finds it difficult to break the low block. Vele, we failed because it was difficult for us to do so. Our chances were no longer that coming as they were first half. But in Denga, there are always positives in every time when we play, because we see with the players improve. Especially I was impressed with the performance Kapule Mori. He played as if rent was due today. Solomon's now he wasn't as effective as he was play game lena Kabuskop, but high press is the one that is helping us, and trying by all means we don't get to be vulnerable to a counter attack, because that was the main goal of Amazulu. We commit bodies forward and then they catch us on a transition, of which we were able to deal with that. With Uvigela Mbuso at the back, he was solid today. He was on top of his game. Cross also had a good performance. His drive with the ball going forward, his understanding and that chemistry and that combination that they have with the Umori was good to see today. With okay, it's simple lento pass ushaya reverse ball ngiyangena ngiyadrive ngiyanalo phakathi. The only thing that was missing is that final pass. But I would say with introduce even Thabo Cele vele, he plays in moments every time akathole chance yokudlala. He's one player I'd say with he's scared of taking responsibility. First involvement over machine. Try to shoot. Usafuna ukuphasa, but you can see ukuthi there's congestion la ibhola ufukulisa khona. Yeah, it is a draw, but I'd say again, we didn't deserve to draw this game. For a team that was an away team, yeah, to them, it is everything. But for Kaizer Chiefs, it is disappointing. Even our subs, if it wasn't for our fans signaling with no, it's time for subs now, I don't think Ngabu Khalil Ben so full of made of subs. But we didn't lose. We just withdrew, but ngendlela disappointing. But I don't know bafethu. So khuluma nje kahle kusasa sekuhle namaphapho, because nyazi abaningi manje inhliziyo ziyabile bafisa nje ngathi bangayidla iphila ikhosi, but asikho kanjalo. This is football. We have to understand that 3 events: win, lose and a draw. Today we drew. Tango.